To replace the throttle control cam in your leaf blower, first unthread the retaining knob screw to release the throttle control from the blower tube clamp. Use a T27 Torx bit to unthread the 4 screws, securing the 2 halves of the throttle control. Lift off the right half. Lift out the trigger and detach the throttle cable. Next, unthread the mounting screw to release the lock lever. You can now remove the old control cam. Prepare the new throttle control cam for installation by transferring the nut from the old cam to the new one. Confirm the wave washer is in place, then align the new cam in the throttle housing. Reinstall the lock lever by aligning the notch in the lever with the tab on the cam. Then thread and tighten the mounting screw. Confirm the trigger spring is intact on the trigger, then reattach the throttle cable to the trigger. Now, keeping the spring depressed, align the trigger on the post. Confirm the wires and cable retainer are positioned in the channel. Make sure the mounting pin is in place, then realign the 2 halves of the throttle control and thread the screws. Reposition the throttle control in the blower tube clamp. Then thread and tighten the retaining knob screw. Keep in mind, you can rotate the throttle cable adjustment screw clockwise to increase tension on the cable, or counterclockwise to decrease the tension.